You didn't grow strong because life was kind to you. You grew strong because no one showed up when it mattered. Maybe it wasn't abandonment. Maybe it was just silence. The unanswered calls. The problems you solved alone because asking felt pointless. While others leaned on family, friends, safety nets, you learned something else: how to stand without one. If you've ever dealt everything alone, or watched someone quietly handle everything themselves, then stay with me till the end, because today we'll uncover 8 unexpected survival skills people like these master. Strength 1. I've got this mode. You know that moment when something goes wrong, late at night, no help, no backup? Flat tire, roof leaking, something breaks. You don't panic. You don't reach for your phone. You pause, think, and handle it. Somewhere along the way, you learned how to stay steady when things fall apart. Strength 2. Thinking 3 steps ahead trips, money stress, big life decisions. You don't crowdsource them. You sit with it. You plan quietly. No noise, no opinions pulling you sideways. That's why you move faster than most people once you decide. Strength 3. Bouncing back without an audience. When something hurts, you feel it, but you don't fall apart publicly. You process it alone. Late nights, silent resets, and without realizing it, you taught yourself how to recover without needing reassurance. Strength 4. Being honest with yourself. When no one's around to sugarcoat things, you see yourself clearly. Your flaws, your patterns, your growth points. You reflect. You adjust. The self-awareness others search for in conversations, you built in silence. Strength 5. Reading the room. Instantly. You notice energy, tone, small shifts in behavior. You can tell who feels safe and who doesn't. Fast. Being alone taught you to observe before you trust. And that instinct rarely gets it wrong. Strength 6. Starting over without fear. Plans fall through, jobs end, cities change, and while others freeze, you adapt. You've rewritten your life enough times that change doesn't scare you anymore. It feels familiar. Strength 7. Scarcity-to-surplus magic. When money is tight, you get creative. You stretch. You improvise. You figure it out. No safety net forced you to become resourceful. You learned how to turn not enough into just enough. Strength 8. Staying calm when everything is loud. When the world is chaotic, you stay centered. You don't get pulled into every emotional storm. Solitude trained your nervous system to stay steady. That's why you don't burn out the way others do. These aren't just traits. They're skills you picked up because life made you rely on yourself. Not having family or close friends didn't make you weaker. It shaped you differently. If this feels familiar, you're not alone in it, even if it often feels that way. And if this resonated, comment "solo strong." Send it to someone who walks alone like you do. They'll understand. If you want more videos like this, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.